This is SKINFOOD's black sugar 2X size, very large format. I have been a fan of this stuff for years. Basically, a friend in Korea told me about it. Picked it up. This is 210 grams each, and I just restocked basically. So these haven't been opened yet. This one, I'm just about to open it. I can open it with you actually. Why I love this stuff? Well, it's something about the texture. It's got this emulsifier. Well, I got maybe is it already? Yeah, it's already open. Okay, let's scrape this off here. There's something about the texture that I really love here. It's a little bit like emulsified, and it's very finely ground in the sugar scrub here, and I just love the way it makes my skin feel. And the price is pretty good too. Very nice product. So I've been a repeat customer for quite a little while now. And the only minus point for me with this product, I guess, might be the smell. Now, it doesn't smell bad by any stretch. It's a citrus smell. There's limonene in it and stuff. I would prefer like a chocolate smell or something, basically. So it's just personal preference. So this stuff contains your regular sort of facial chemical stuff, like all the things that you can't pronounce on the back. But it also contains a lot of the familiar things that you know that moisturize your skin, like shea butter and lanolin and things like that. And it's actually a fermented black sugar. I'm not sure what the benefits of fermentation are for sugar on the skin, but all I know is I really like this product and I'd recommend it for sure. So there you go.